Congruency of a triangle. Congruency of a triangle means any pair or a set of objects with this property was said to be congruent. So for example, you are taking a 200 notes. So each and everything having the same side and same shapes and whatever it is same only, right? For example, you are taking a scale like this. So the scale also each and everything up to 0 to 15 only, each and every scale having short sides. In chord we having the same side of a packet of playing chords. Okay, so the chord should be the same size, same designs. That's one dimension. So the means we having the same. Okay, that's 1D. So one chord match exactly with the other in the size and shape. So what they mention, the size and shape is same. Okay, we are having a contour of a line, the normal basics ma. Okay, contour of line. So AB and CD. If it's a 5 centimeter, it's also 5 centimeter. So if 5 centimeter and this also 5 centimeter, the alphabet only change. So no difference. So the size also same, the shape also same, line only, right? So that's a contour line segment. Angle means if you are having a this is a 30 degree and this is 30. So we are having the contour angle. We are having a plane. So for example, you are taking a square, 3 centimeter square means this is also 3 centimeters. So it's having the same measurement. So this and this is congruent. ஒரே மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது congruent in shape and size, whatever it is, the same, that's a congruent. நீங்க இப்படி direction change பண்ணி கூட வைக்கலாம், but measurements and shape should be in the same, means that is a congruent. So congruent symbol நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுவோம் அப்படின்னா symbolic representation of congruent is writing like this or like this. Okay, 3 lines. That's a congruence. And we are having the same. The radius is common, means the circles are congruence. Okay, that's it. And that's only the given. In congruency, the coinciding parts are called corresponding parts. The coinciding sides are called corresponding sides. Coincident sides means if you are taking a BC and BX, this is corresponding to this. So BC and BX are same measurements la irukku, this is corresponding, equal ah irukku. So that's a corresponding. So sides means corresponding sides, corresponding parts means corresponding parts. If you are having a angle in this place 30 degree, in this place 30 means, so this is corresponding to angle B is corresponding. That's it. Okay, so congruent triangles. Congruent triangles we having a 4 criteria, 4 conditions. Okay, so 4 conditions. One is a side congruency. So side congruency means, for example, so we are having equilateral triangle. So this is a 3 centimeter and this also 3 centimeter and this also 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is one of the triangle. The same triangle you are drawing like this. This also 3 centimeter, this also 3, this also 3 centimeter. So this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So in this place, all the 3 sides, one triangle is equal to another. So that is a SSS congruent. Side congruent. The next one is side angle side. Side angle side means, for example, so you are taking like this. This is a 5 centimeter. So in this place is a 5. So this is equal to this. So this is a one of the side. So A, B, C, P, Q, R. Okay. So AB equal to PQ. Both having 5 centimeter. So one side. Okay. Then what they mention? Angle. So if I am having in this place 30 degree, in this place 30 degree. So which angle? Angle B equal to angle Q equal to 30 degree. One of the angle. Then in this place 6 centimeter, this place 6 centimeter. So BC is equal to QR equal to 6 centimeter. Are you clear? Side angle side. இந்த ரெண்டு சைடுக்கு நடுவுல தான் உங்க ஆளோடைய angle intersect ஆயிருக்கணும். ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. The same comparative to the another triangle. That's only the given. Side angle side congruence criteria. The similar congruence means the same, similar. So if two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding parts are congruent. So we are having So in this place, this is equal to this is equal to this, and this angle is equal. So it's side congruence, right? So the balanced side should be, so obviously it is a side congruence means, so the balance place what? AC and PR. AC and PR are corresponding side, the lifted part. So the balance part, this is a corresponding side. AC is equal to corresponding side of the PR. That is a major part. That's a corresponding. Okay. And angle side angle. Now only we learn side angle side. So angle side angle means we are having a two triangle. So this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. The same 60 degree, in this place 30 degree, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So this angle. So ABC PQR. So angle A equal to angle P equal to what? 60 degree, because angle side angle. So the next middle should you having a side AB equal to PR equal to what? 3 centimeter. So this side. Okay. Then the same line we having the another angle. Angle B equal to angle R equal to what? 30 degree. Okay, va? So, okay. So what we having? Side angle, side angle. ரெண்டு ஆங்கிளுக்கு மிடில் என்ன இருக்குது? நம்மளுடைய சைடு இருக்குது. ஓகேங்க, நீங்கள் டயக்ராம் இப்படி திருப்பி போடலாம், அப்படி திருப்பி போடலாம். பட் சேமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா தட் ஷுட் பி எலிஜிபிள். ஸோ சைடு ஆங்கிள் சைட், திஸ் ஆர் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. So these are the corresponding. BC and AC is your corresponding. Which one is the corresponding? BC is corresponding to which place? 30 degree place is what? This part, QR. And AC corresponding sides are PQ. That's it. Okay, these are the corresponding side. In your sum you can understand. Hypotenuse means what? So we are having a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means 90 degree. So 90 degree opposite is what? Hypotenuse. So 90 degree we can change. So this is rotating. Okay, this is a normal, you know. So they given diagram. So you rotate பண்ணிட்டாங்க. So it's rotating where it is in this place 90 degree. Where is your hypotenuse? PR is your hypotenuse. In this place 90 degrees, which one is hypotenuse? M1 is what? Hypotenuse. So try to understand where it is a hypotenuse. Okay. So right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle இருக்கணும், hypotenuse இருக்கணும், ஒரு side இருக்கணும் equal. So இங்க பாருங்க. So right angle. So in this place also 90, in this place. So both having a right angle. So angle L is equal to angle K equal to 90 degree. Then hypotenuse. If we are having a right angle triangle, obviously it's having a hypotenuse. NM and IJ. So both having hypotenuse, right? So this and this is. So hypotenuse is there. And one side, whatever side, LM or KM, whatever it is. Say